I'm Chinara. I joined ICT as an intern in 2017. I'm currently working as a programmer analyst in the medical VR team. So I did my master's in electrical engineering from USC. I've been interested in VR for pretty long and was part of the VR club at USC as well. Yeah, so OpenMG is an effort by medical VR team to basically solve the problem of using controllers. Controllers don't give you a very naturalistic way of interacting with virtual objects. We kind of developed a platform wherein you can, which is device agnostic, and you can just use hand tracking to basically interact with different virtual objects in much more naturalistic fashion, like you would do in the real world. Okay, so now you can see I have my hands visible in the virtual world, and these are all the different medical instruments, which you call them smart objects. The reason why you say them smart is because it has inbuilt physics incorporated inside it. You can see it's a scissor, I pick it up, I do a pinching action, it basically triggers. You can see it gives much more realism because we're basically trying to mimic how it would have actually been grabbed in the real world and interacted with. This is the syringe, you can see this. And this is the bandage. Basically pull it up. So yeah. So the way we create smart objects is first, we definitely need to get the model built in Maya and have it rigged. And make sure that the mesh is at a very low poly count so that Unity supports it, because the entire thing is built into Unity. And then you pull it up, and then there are some scripts and some C# scripts, Unity scripts that needs to be attached to it, and that basically makes the object very smart.